All right, guys, today I want to do some tests on the Amazon KDP ads or Amazon ads in general, but I'm going to be utilizing them for one of the books in which I released about a few weeks ago. So, we're going to jump straight into it. I've heard some good things about Amazon ads. I've also heard good things about Facebook ads. I'm trying to see which one will work better, but I wanted to start out with Amazon ads just because the book is actually on Amazon. And so I thought it would only make sense to get people that's actually already in the market for a book to push ads in their face and see if this is something that will help them hit that buy button. All right, so here's one of the ads that I did yesterday. I was having issues with recording it. I wanted to put it up yesterday, but I started the ad yesterday and I used the sponsored products ad. Promote your products to shoppers that actively searching for related keywords and viewing similar products. So I hit continue. In here, custom text ad or standard ad. So I used standard for yesterday. I'm just wanting to show you what I did yesterday so we'll all be up to speed. You go down and I picked the book that I just uploaded a week or so ago. Melissa Douglas and Nobody's Loud Club. Added it here, right? Went down. I did two different types of ads. I did an automatic and I did a manual. I'll show you the success on, well, not necessarily success, that it's too early for that. It's the data that I've that has started to pull, and I have to look at everything in the morning because it takes like, I want to say 12 hours for you to be able to look at the actual data, but correct me if I'm wrong. Anyway, so I clicked on automatic targeting. I left it set default bid. I dropped the bid down initially starting out at 5 cents, right? Regardless of what it said, I dropped it to 5 cents. A lot of people that I was seeing on YouTube had a lot of success when they started their bids low and gradually moved up. I think right now I have the bid set at 8 cents with set bids by target. I didn't do anything about a targeting group. Scroll down, I didn't select anything about negative keyword targeting or anything negative because I haven't got that data yet. Once I get it tomorrow, I'll create another video and then, move the negative keywords over. I set my bids down to down only. This is just so I can test it out to see and make sure that I'm staying within my budget currently. Because with a lot of these things, just like with marketing, anything, you want to see what works. And then once you find out what works, you put all your money and everything into it that way. So first I'm trying to start spending as minimal amount of money as possible, right? So dynamic bids down only, I selected, which means that Amazon will lower your bids in real time when your ad may be less likely to convert to sales. Any campaign created before April 22nd, 2019, use this setting, And they have other ones like fixed bids where it stays at a certain bid. I didn't want to do that. And dynamic bids is going to go up and down. It will raise your bids by a maximum of 100% in real time when your ad may be more likely to convert to a sale, more than likely. I'll try that one later this week, maybe if this doesn't work, but I don't know. Sometimes I'm real iffy on ads because you don't know if they doing what they saying they doing or they ain't, right? Unless you start seeing people actually clicking and buying. All right, here on the ads that I created, I put 100% on here. I wanted to test this out because I saw a few people talking about it on YouTube, and they were saying that they had a better success rate. So this, in addition to your bid strategy, you can increase bids by up to 900%. Learn more. So right now, with my bid being 8 cents, it will be increased to 16 cents, right? If it's on the top search first page, product pages, and things like that. My settings, I just left the name here, and I probably put something that says automatic, and I put an end date. One of my ads, I got it going for like $10 a day, and the other one I want to say is $25. I put the other one at $25 just because I wanted to test with the impressions, and I saw the impressions shoot up today. So once I get that data tomorrow, then I can alleviate the negative words and try to keep my cost per click down. But then once you got all this listed out, you'll hit launch campaign, right? You can hit it up here as well. So I'm going to go and show you now my actual campaigns and what I was talking about. Let's close this out. Leave that. Alright, so here's my 2 campaigns that I have running. This one is currently running right now. Both of these are. These are running. So let's look at this first one. This was the automatic one, right? Amazon is gonna do all the work. Right now, I have 4 impressions on that. I have 2 products, which is both of my books. One of them is in Kindle and one of them is in paperback, right? So 4 impressions. I had 1 impression not too long ago, and what I ended up doing is I upped the ante on the amount that I'm spending. Even though right now it's showing spent 0, I can't see any of the negative targeted words and search terms and things of that nature until the system grabs enough data. So right now I have it on 17 cents, excuse me. So with me noticing that it has like 4, I'm gonna do 20 cents and I'm gonna save this and I'll check it tomorrow at noon or something like that. I'll probably check it in the morning, but I won't change anything until tomorrow afternoon about the same time or tomorrow night. So I left my ad group the same, left everything the same. I'm changing this to 20 cents just to see if I can get some clicks off of that. And then I'll go back here and I'll show you what the manual one actually looks like as well. So with the manual campaign, where I'm getting a lot of impressions, I put my own keywords in there. So I didn't let Amazon do the keywords. I put my own keywords in there just to test and see what was going to happen. My impressions today jumped to 3,326 because I really didn't have any until I started messing around with that. So placements, top search, it'll show you how many clicks I got. So I got 1 click here. Product pages, I got 4 clicks. So when they clicked, what I'm thinking that they might have did also, because I'll show you why I'm saying what I'm gonna say. But so no negative keywords yet because I don't have the data for that. Budgeting rules, I didn't set anything up there. Campaign settings, 25 a day, as you can see. History, nothing here. But so what I ended up looking at, another thing I checked out, let me just go here for real quick. Amazon. Let me see something real quick. So I ended up going to reports this morning. I randomly had a look, right? Today's orders, unit order. So I don't know if it's not showing that data right now because it's still early and it's still gathering the data. But I ended up looking at the reports and it showed that there was a book that was ordered today. So let's look. But I'm not sure if it shows right here. 3 from the United States, 1 for India. But those are Kindle. And I have a deal going on with Kindle that ends today. I was trying to get some reviews and stuff in. So that's going to end today. But I'm wondering if that ad pushed people towards, getting it off of Kindle. Because you could put your Kindle book in where you're not charging anybody. It's some kind of special promo that they have where you're not charging anybody. And, you just get more people to get your book and then give you reviews. Reviews will help push your book further and things of that nature. So what I want to see, though, is this happen. I'm looking for the print. And it's showing like somebody bought the book, but I won't be able to look at that data until tomorrow. Let's see. I'm going to check one last thing, and then I'm going to get off of here. Let's uncheck that. Apply. So pay. Pay happened on the 5th. All right. So that helped me a lot. All right. So yeah. So we're gonna look. Like I said, I put this on there on Amazon about a week ago, and now I'm just starting to do the marketing part. I had it on Barnes and Noble before, and my website was where I was really selling them from at first. But let's see how this goes. Hit that subscriber button if you want to follow this little journey. See what works for Amazon KDP. So see if it's a waste of money or if there's actually success. Now I know a lot of stuff changed with 2023. Every time you think you figured out the algorithm on anything, they switch it up. So thank you for watching. You guys have a great one. Peace.